Do you own a website or blog? Would you like to team up with one of the most trusted and reputable names in the health and fitness industry, all while making a potentially significant income doing what you love? If the answer is yes, then it's time to become a Primal Blueprint affiliate. As a Primal affiliate, you get paid to advertise the products that have made the Primal Blueprint an industry leader and help others become fitter, healthier, and happier in the process. And as a Primal affiliate, there's no need to worry about advertising gimmicky fad products that you don't believe in, that make false claims, and that add no real value to your audience, because we only sell products and services that have a long track record of success. If you're as passionate and enthusiastic about the Primal lifestyle as we are, join our team of hundreds of affiliates. It only takes a few minutes and is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply sign up, get approved, and then add special links or banners to your website or blog. The links and banners we provide can be used anywhere. In a blog article, on your homepage, in emails, even in social media. No matter where you decide to spread the word, when someone clicks through and makes a purchase, you earn a generous commission that can add up to a lot of money and, more importantly, a lot of lives changed. Don't let Grok do it alone. Sign up today and become a part of the Primal Revolution.